We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting plant names, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing. So how do you go about pronouncing the name of this family of plants? There are two different ways of saying it, either Fabaceae, Fabaceae. The other way is as Fabaceae, Fabaceae, Fabaceae or Fabaceae. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? If you know any other ways, let us know in the comments. And feel free to hit the like button if you found it useful. Thanks for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more plant names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.